Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Suave Smoothing with Cocoa Butter and Shea. Softens rough, dry skin, clinically proven to moisturize as well as, I don't know how to say that word, Location Shea Butter Extra Gentle Lotion. I do apologize guys, I do not know how to say that word, but it's for beautiful skin. Dermatologist tested. And yeah, this is what the bottle just looks like. It kind of has a gray top. The body portion of it is kind of like this ivory off-white color, and then the front part of it is just like the Suave Skin Solutions, and it explains what's in it and what it does for you. And I'm just going to turn it around, and it just says helping America live beautifully since 1937, and it just tells you what's in it. So starting off about this product, the reason why I actually decided to invest in this product was because I do have really bad eczema, and anything that can help my eczema at this point I usually will give a try, just because it's so bad. And even on the parts of my body that I do not have eczema, I really only have eczema on my arms and sometimes on my legs, but I do usually use this everywhere on my body, not even only on the parts that I do have eczema, and it really does work. I am going to say though that when it says that it's like clinically proven for 24 hours of moisturization, I guess it might depend on what kind of skin type you have, but it does not give me 24 hours of like moisturization. It really only will last me if I leave my house at 9 and I come back at like 3 or 4. I can definitely tell that my skin is like soaked up the lotion. I won't be like ashy or dry or anything, but I can tell that it doesn't leave the same effect as it does when I first put it on. Something else that I really do love about this product though is the fact that it does have shea butter in it, and it also it does have cocoa butter in it too, and I love cocoa butter. It's just that I had to give it a break for a little bit because it wasn't really helping my eczema as good as other products have. But I love that this one has both shea butter and cocoa butter in it, because it really has helped my skin out, and it really has I can tell a big difference. It really has nourished my skin and really put oils back into there that I kind of strip out throughout the day or after I shower. Something else that is very, very, very cool about this is how big it is. So usually when I buy a lotion, I'm like, okay, I'm going to need to set aside money because I'm going to have to get a new one in 2 weeks. Not the case with this. I bought this about 3 months ago, and I just want to, there's still a lot left in it. And like I said, I do use this every day for as long as I can use it for, and it honestly just really works for me. It's just one of those things where you find where it works and you're just like, you know what, I'm just gonna keep buying it and investing in it because it honestly does work for my skin. The reason I found out about this was because like I said, I try products that I feel like would help my eczema, just because it's so bad and I just literally can't with itching and my dry skin. So I tend to go to Walmart a lot and say okay, maybe this one might work better, but this is just one of the ones that stuck for me and it really does help me. What I do when I use this product is I'll take a shower, and then when I get out the shower I just dry myself off, and then I'll apply this right as I'm getting out the shower, just because your pores are open and I like to really nourish my skin, make sure that it's very moisturized. And sometimes guys, I'll go in with a layer of this and put it all over, and then I'll wait a couple minutes and then I'll go in with the second layer, just because like I said, it doesn't moisturize your skin or keep your skin moisturized for up to 24 hours. So I really try to go in with 2 rounds, just because my skin tends to get dry faster than probably an average person's skin would, and so this really does help me. Something else that if you guys decide to purchase this product, Something else that I couple with that really is like, okay, my skin will stay moisturized a little bit longer, is I'll take this and I'll put it on, and then I'll go on with a little bit of Vaseline over my skin. And if you guys don't like really oily skin, I don't suggest this, but I do because my eczema. But I will go in with a little bit of Vaseline after using this product, and I will like put it over it, and it works so well for me. Something else that I really do like about this product is after I put it on, after I get out the shower, I will like sit around in like a bathrobe and stuff like that. And usually like doing stuff like that tends to dry out my skin, and putting this lotion on before that, it doesn't dry out my skin. It really works well. A personal testimony too is I have like the worst cracked feet from dancing because I do ballet, and I'll put this on and I'll put my socks on, and it will really help moisturize the bottom of my heels. I really can see a difference after using this product. And like I said before, guys, this is the Suave Skin Solution Smoothing with cocoa butter and shea butter, and it does softens rough and dry skin, and it does prove to moisturize as well as other products. And I really think you guys should give this product a try.